Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Islam. I hope you all good. I am a digital marketer and I will work Facebook ad, Google ad and web analytics. I work as a freelancer on a marketplace like Upwork, freelancer.com and Keyword. I introduce my new course Facebook ad mastery. Our first class is understanding what is data-driven Facebook ad marketing and how Facebook ad works. Our Our second class is Understanding Facebook Business Manager and his asset. Our third class is Business Manager, Ad Account, Ad Manager, Payment Method and some verification tools. Our fourth class is Understanding Facebook Sales Funnel and Ad Object. Our fifth class is Facebook Ad Daily Budget. It's very important things, daily budget and lifetime budget and what is bidding strategy on Facebook. Our sixth class is Understanding Pixel Conversion API and Google Tag Manager, and we will set up basic pixel on GTM. Our seventh class is Set up Facebook ad standard event. Is very much important any type of e-commerce business. We set up Facebook ad standard event like view content, add to cart and purchase with GTM. And our eighth class is set up pixel conversion API with deduplication via GTM. Deduplication means server side and browser side, both of them. Our ninth class is understanding event mesh quality and how to improve Facebook event mesh quality. Our ninth class is understanding Facebook ad audience targeting. It's very much important. Our 11th class is Facebook ad location targeting and the demographic basic audience targeting. Our 12th class is Facebook ad save audience. It's too much important. Our 13th class is Facebook custom audience using website pixel. Our 14th class is Facebook custom audience look like audience and with Facebook source. Our 15th class is understanding audience overlapping in Facebook ads. Our 16th class is create Facebook shop and catalog. Is too much important any kind of business, e-commerce business. Our 17th class is created Facebook awareness and engagement campaign. Content is strategy of top of the funnel. Funnel strategy is the more important things any kind of business. Our 18th class is created Facebook campaign as a natural Facebook campaign with top of the funnel and the bottom of the funnel and middle of the funnel. And our 19th class is post purchase strategy in Facebook ad sales funnel. 21 class is set up Facebook ads message and sponsored message campaign. And our last class is set up Facebook ad lead generation campaign. Any person or any business owner done these 22 classes, I hope you will understand the total ecosystem of Facebook ad. And the next step is you will grow your business the Facebook ads and you will introduce yourself as a freelancer as you wish. But you will done these 22 classes. I hope you will understand what is the value of these 22 classes. So thank you all watching my videos and I see you in the next class.